Evening student, in the previous period we learn the parts of leaves. Today we will learn about the parts of flower. This is the hibiscus flower. It means हे कशाचं फूल आहे तर जास्वंदाचं फूल आहे. या फुलाच्या आधारे आपण काय करणार आहे तर फुलांचे भाग विविध भाग आपण शिकणार आहे. देन द फर्स्ट पार्ट is the pedicel. Pedicel means this is called the pedicel. This part of the flower is called the pedicel. Okay, this part is called pedicel. Then this green leaf like part, small leaf like part, it is called calyx. In the bud condition, the pedicel are covered by leaf like parts called sepals, and which are green in color. They form the calyx. It means in the bud condition, कळी स्वरूपात असताना, कळी ज्यावेळेस ह्या फुलाची कळी असते त्यावेळेस हा पूर्ण भाग ह्या हिरव्या पाकळ्यांनी आच्छादलेला असतो. याला म्हटलं जातं कॅलिक्स. देन अनदर पार्ट ऑफ दिस फ्लावर, इट इज फिलामेंट. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज फिलामेंट. दिस इज द फिलामेंट. देन on the filament there is a small particles, it is called as anther. These small particles, it is called as anther, and this is smooth particles over the filament, it is called as style or stigma. This stick like part is called as style and this part is called as stigma. Now the bunch of these petals, it means हा पाकळ्यांचा जो गुच्छ आहे, it is called as corolla. It has various colors. Now this flower, look at this flower. Now we will take the petals separately. We take these petals separately. Look at carefully. Okay. Look at this flower carefully. Now we separated the flower. These are the petals. And this part of inner part of flower is called as ovary. Inner part of flower is called as ovary. The next part of the flower is most essential part of flower. It is most important for the reproductive system. The first part is male reproductive system. It is called as androecium. In androecium consists these filaments. And this anther. These pollen grains is called as anther, and this filament and this anther, it is called as androecium. Androecium is a male reproductive part, and the second reproductive part, female reproductive part, it is called as gynoecium. And gynoecium consists the lower part, that is ovary. Gynoecium consists the lower part, it is the white part of this flower, inner part, that is called as ovary. Then the upper part of this flower, the style, this small stick like part, style, and smooth part, that is stigma, is consist in the gynoecium, and gynoecium is a female reproductive part of the flower. This is the part of flower. Okay, understand it?